I don't know about you, but I love motorized marble machines. They are made in all kinds of shapes and designs. This one is handmade. It has a simple mechanism to recycle the balls and put them on a track. It runs on an AA battery. I bought this on Etsy. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up. That'll help me a lot. Thanks for watching.